Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a stop motion animation in Google Slides. So to show you what that looks like, this is one that I created. And so this is my slide deck and I'm showing you what my animation looks like. So let's get started on how to create one on your own. So I'll go to File to open a new presentation. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just do an image. I'm not going to do the words, but the process remains the same. Let me close out the theme and I'm going to remove these text boxes. Let me give my presentation a title. I'm going to start with my background. I need to change my background. And I'll just bring in a Bitmoji. Now I'm going to line it up because the objective is to make this image appear incrementally on my screen. So I'm going to hold it down, drag it down to the bottom where it's barely shown. I'll come up to my slide deck over here and I'll duplicate this slide. So if you're holding, you can right click and click on duplicate slide, or you can use the shortcut depending on the operating system you're using. If it's a Mac, it will be Command D. If it's a PC, it will be Control D. So I duplicate this slide. Then I'm going to click on my icon, or your picture, the word, whatever it is that you are using, you're animating, and you're going to click on it. And because I want it to move up, I'm using the shift and the arrow keys. So and I also want to make sure that it's the same speed. The speed is consistent in each of the slides. So I'm going to use maybe 15 spaces up. So I'm holding down my shift and I'll press the up arrow 15 times. Then I'll go back to my slide deck over here and I'll duplicate this slide. I'll come back and I'll repeat this process until my image reaches to the position that I want it to be. Okay, so this is where I want my image to end. So I'm now going to test it out to see if it looks the way that I like. Okay, now it's time to share this to make it into the animation, to make it animated. So you will click on File, then Publish to the web. Change the speed to every second, and you want it to start as soon as the slide. So you want to click on this, then click on Publish. Verify that you want to then copy this link, open a new tab, paste that link, but up here where it says 1000, you want to change that to 100, then click enter, and there is your animation. Thank you.